Uhamba mahoro ugesi kwezinye ingxenye zezwe. Izolo iningizimu Afrika isithole esigabeni sesithupha sohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi. Abantu abenemeneze ngalokhu.
It's really very bad, I must say. Someone with health issues, because now it's like you have to wait certain times to bath and to clean your wounds because I'm going through a healing process.
Umvela ndawenye wezinyunyana zezisebenzi ikhosathu uthi kuyadumaza kakhulu ukuthi umuntu okhokha intela kulelizwe acishelwe ugesi.
We call on South African government to really take this issue seriously. It is totally unacceptable that South Africans are being asked to pay for something that is not there.
Ezinkundleni zokuxhumana abantu bakulelizwe banxuse uhulumeni ukuthi azame ukusombulula lenkinga yokucisha kogesi. Umhlaziyi wezombusazwe uthi ukungazinzi kwezamandla kulelizwe kuliqedanya ithemba abantu abanalo ngohulumeni.
The issue of not having power in your home for extended periods of time could become a very, very powerful political weapon for the opponents of the ANC.
Imibiko yakamuva evela kwaba-statistics South Africa iveza ukuthi kunomthelelo ongemuhle ukunqamuka kogesi emnothweni wezwe. Umnotho wakulelizwe wehle ngo-0.7 ngesigamu sesibili sonyaka. Abaholi bezamabhizinisi bathi ukunqanyulwa kogesi kuyaqhubeka nokwengeza usizi nobunzima ebantwini bakulelizwe njengoba singesihle nje isimo somnotho wezwe.
All the promises that they've made up until now, 4 or 5 years now, they have not actually been fulfilled. So that is a very scary situation to see. And it has a very, very serious impact on job creation, on trying to turn around this economy.
I-Eskom ithi zifile ezinye iziphehli zayo kulamasonto edlule yathi manje isebenza ngaphansi kwengcindezi kanti ayinayo imali yokuthenga udizili.
Kusenjalo amanye amaqembu ombusazwe afuna impendulo ngokuqala kokusebenza kohlelo lwezamandla olwamenyezelwa nguMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngoNtulikazi.
Sekuphele izinyanga ezimbili uMengameli amemezela uhlelo lwezamandla oluzosetshenziswa ngezimo eziphuthumayo noluzokwenza ukuthi kuphele ukucisha konga ugesi. I-DA isamkele isinqumo sikaMengameli sokufinqa uhambo lwakhe emazweni aphesheya ezobhekana nenkinga yogesi wakuleli. uMengameli ubezokwethula inkulumo emhlanganweni wesigungu se-UN eNew York emva komngcwabo wendlovukazi yamangisi.
The DA remains concerned that the National Electricity Crisis Committee is still unaccountable to Parliament and calls on the Speaker of the National Assembly to take immediate action for this committee to report on its key milestones and deliverables.
Iqembu iGood lifuna uMengameli acacise kabanzi ngokusebenza kohlelo lwezamandla.
The energy supply instability that South Africa has endured for 15 years. What we really need is to see action in implementing that plan, and we need regular feedback from the President so that we can hold his government and the government of South Africa accountable to implement those plans.
Amaqembu i-EFF kanye ne-ATM awabona ukuthi lukhona uguquko oluzoba khona uma sekubuye uMengameli kuleli.
As the EFF, we've always said that this power crisis is deliberate. So we want to drive home that point once again, that this is a deliberate power crisis.
This is not the first time the nation would remember. 2019, he did the same thing when he was in Egypt, cutting short the trip to address the stage 6 issue, where he told us that there was a sabotage. And to this day, we don't even know where is that matter.
Umholi we-FF Plus uthi namanje azigakabuyiselwa emsebenzini izisebenzi zase-Eskom ezazinamava kulomsebenzi nesezashiya kulenkampani nokuyinto equkethwe uhlelo lwezamandla okuhloswe ngalo ukuzinzisa isimo e-Eskom.
There are many people, previous employees of Eskom, who already came forward, who is willing to help and assist to try and solve the problem. But there is too much politically interference with the matter because of affirmative action.
Abanye ke bakholwa ukuthi singatholakala isisombululo uma nje abaholi bakuleli bengaba yimbumba.
We also wish to recommend that the President, upon his arrival, must ask the Speaker to convene an agent joint sitting of the National Assembly and the National Council of Provinces so that there are solutions that are debated and we find a common ground in terms of how we deal with the electricity issue in South Africa.
uMengameli ulindeleke ukuthi abuye kulelizwe namhlanje ebusuku.